How come in a universe with hundreds of billions of galaxies, we haven't had even one clear sign of extraterrestrial life? What if we're not alone, but we're being watched? Today we'll explore one of the most disturbing hypotheses. What if we live in a digital prison, a closed simulation, where we are observed like in a cosmic zoo without knowing it? If you're interested, subscribe to Reality Shift and discover with us what might be behind the Fermi Paradox. In the 1950s, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a disturbing question: where is everybody? With so many habitable planets out there, math suggests we should have detected signs of alien civilizations long ago. But there's been nothing yet, total silence. This is known as the Fermi Paradox, and one of its most provocative explanations is known as our reality being a zoo. The cosmic zoo theory suggests that advanced civilizations do exist, but they have decided not to interfere. They observe us, they study us, but they don't interact, as if we were animals in a nature reserve. The reason could be ethical, or technical, or even recreational. An advanced civilization could isolate worlds like ours for protection, but it could be for many other reasons that are completely out of our control. But this is where it gets even stranger. Some scientists and philosophers like Nick Bostrom have proposed that, if a civilization can simulate a reality, it probably already has. And if that's true, the probability that we live in the base reality is minimal. We are probably inside an extremely advanced computer simulation. And this is where both ideas intersect. What if the simulation we live in is the zoo? An invisible prison where human behavior is monitored, our emotions, decisions, evolution, and they never let us out. Have you ever felt that something in reality doesn't add up? Repetitions in events? Have you experienced déjà vu? Limits you can never cross? Some claim to have seen airplanes frozen in the sky, people who disappear and reappear, or clocks that briefly go backward, brain glitches, or glitches in the simulation's graphics engine. Some believe these are bugs in the simulation. Others think they are control mechanisms to keep us within the perimeter. Even phenomena like the Mandela effect could be system readjustments. A patch applied by the observers? A rewriting of history within the prison? Who would be behind this digital zoo? The theories are many. A post-human civilization simulating its ancestors, an artificial intelligence studying the development of consciousness, or even ourselves in the future. We could be simulated copies of those who once existed, repeated infinitely with variations, in an eternal experiment. If this theory were correct, we may never be able to escape the zoo, but questioning the cage is the first step to seeing it. What do you think? Do we live in a cosmic prison or in another type of simulation? Subscribe to Reality Shift if you want to keep exploring the limits of reality, and leave us your opinion in the comments. Are we really alone, or are we simply being watched?